Hey, what is up everybody? So for today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can change the region on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. This is one of the most requested video on my channel. Already I have posted a video on how to do this, but a lot of people wanted an updated version on how to change the region with TIZEN 5.5 and above. Also, if you use correct files during the process, it will not disable the Wi-Fi of your watch. This is also a very common question asked in my videos. So first of all, I have a Galaxy Watch Active 2 44mm Bluetooth SMR A20 model. If you have exactly the same model, you can use the same files provided in the description. And if you have any other model, you can contact me via email for files. I will try to provide you with a little fee, and that's for the server. Or you can yourself search for the files on FIRMWARE website, that's paid as well. Sorry, there is no free website for these type of firmware files. Also, after changing the region, you can use ECG and blood pressure application on your Galaxy Watch Active 2, but I will talk about it in the end. First of all, you have to download these 4 files. The first one is the combination firmware. I'm using TIZEN 5.5 combination firmware because my watch is already on TIZEN 5.5. And if your watch has TIZEN 4, you should use the TIZEN 4 combination firmware file. It's a very simple thing, but a lot of people do mistake at this point. The second file is the stock firmware, which is by the way based on TIZEN 5.5. You can also use the TIZEN 4 stock firmware if you have that version. It doesn't matter which stock firmware you use, because in the end you will get over-the-air updates for your Galaxy Watch Active 2 to the latest version. Next we have STB tools for changing the region, and finally I have the Wi-Fi net Odin for flashing the firmware. But before starting, we have to make some changes on our watch. Go into settings, here select about watch, then click software and tap multiple times on software version. The developer mode is now turned on. Next you have to go back and turn on the debugging mode. After that, we have to restart our watch in download mode. For that, just hold power and back key together. After some time, you will see rebooting option. Now release the back key and press the power key multiple times. Now you have entered into download mode. After you have entered into download mode, you have to select the download wireless option with the help of power key. After you have selected this option, just long press the power key to enter into this mode. Here you have to double tap the power key to turn on the AP mode. Now your watch is acting like a hotspot, and you have to simply open up the NetOdin on your computer. In the Wi-Fi section of your computer, make sure you can see the model number of your watch. Just connect your watch and the NetOdin should turn green. In the AP section of the NetOdin, put the combination file and hit start. Wait for the watch to complete the process, and after the watch has rebooted, you have to make some changes on the watch. First of all, go into settings and then in connections. Here select Wi-Fi and choose always on. Connect with the same Wi-Fi network to which your PC is connected, and after connecting, scroll down in that section and note down the IP address. Now just reboot your watch by pressing the power key. After the watch has rebooted, it will automatically connect with the same Wi-Fi as of your computer. Moving on to the PC, here we have to open STB tools. Just unzip the desired version that you want. Here I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I'll unzip that. Now go to data, then tools and select unscon. Here we have to enter some commands. The first command is the STB connect, then enter your IP address. After that, you have to enter another command, which is STB root on. If you see a prompt message on your watch, just tap on the tick icon. After that, you have to pull 2 files from the watch. For this process, I'm using 2 commands. You have to just copy them from the description of the video and paste them in this CMD section. Here I am copying the first pull command, hit enter. Now the second pull command and hit enter. Now the 2 files from the watch have been pulled, and you have to edit the CSC of your watch to change the region. And in order to do that, you have to replace the last 3 letters. Here I'm opening active customer CSC file, changing the last 3 letters, and you have to just save the file. Now in the same way, we have to change the last 3 letters of prod code file in any text editor or notepad. After changing the last 3 letters, just save the file. Here I'm using BTU CSC, which is for UK, as BP and ECG is officially available in the country. Also you can use Samsung Pay as well. Here once again I have to push these files back into the watch by using the push commands. They are down below in the description, do check them out. Finally, we have to flash the stock firmware. For that we have to again go into download mode on our watch by pressing the back and power key at the same time. Now select the download wireless option and double press the power key to enter into AP mode. Once again your watch is acting like a hotspot. On your computer, connect your Wi-Fi with the watch and NetTizen will automatically turn green. This time we have to use the stock firmware file. Just place them accordingly in AP, BL and CSC. Also make sure after downloading the files you unzip them in a folder, because in provided links the files are in zip format. Wait for some time to complete the process and the watch will automatically reboot. After the process has completed, just follow on screen instructions and set up the watch. Initially you will not see the Samsung health monitor on your watch if the TIZEN version is 4. something. But after this process you have to simply check for updates in the wearable application on your phone. It will update 3 consecutive times. I updated my watch too, and after the update finally I can see the Samsung health monitor app on my watch. If you cannot see the Samsung Pay, make sure the plugin is installed on your phone. Once again you can check it in the wearable application. Also, if you don't want to follow this whole process to get BP or Samsung Pay, you can simply try for ECG on your Samsung phone. First install Samsung Health Monitor app, which is modded on your phone. A link is in the description. And also install the ECG TPK installer. After some time, the ECG app will be available on your watch and you can take ECG reading, but you cannot install BP TPK installer in this way as Samsung has blocked it. So that was about it for this video. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.